Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how we connect a brand new Lucky Miner LV06. So we can see the miner here. It got a 5 volts input connected here. Okay, now I'm going to power on the Lucky Miner. So let's take a look closely at the Lucky Miner screen. So we can see the Lucky Miner is trying to start its Wi-Fi. So we will have the Lucky Miner Wi-Fi name shortly. So we can see the Lucky Miner Wi-Fi name start with Lucky and 17F1. Now I'm going to use my cell phone to connect the Lucky Miner. Now we just use our cell phone open our Wi-Fi and to find our Wi-Fi name start with Lucky 17F1, same with our Wi-Fi name on the screen. Now I'm going to connect. So that's great. So usually the after we connect with the Lucky Miner, the cell phone will go directly to the configuration page here. Now, if your cell phone didn't go to this page or your laptop didn't go to this page, we can use your laptop or cell phone to connect the default Lucky Miner IP address, which is here. You can put it like yellow. You can yellow the IP address here. So it's 19.2.168.4.1. So you can use your laptop or cell phone to open the browser and go to this IP address directly. So you can go to this Lucky Miner page. Now I'm going to do setting this Lucky Miner. Okay, so we can see here it's failed to connect the Wi-Fi. It's failed to connect the Wi-Fi because we didn't connect the Wi-Fi yet. So I'm going to connect now. Let's open the settings. Okay, here let's see Wi-Fi SSID. Here is our home Wi-Fi address name. So we can input our home Wi-Fi name. So and here is our home Wi-Fi password here. Please, after you input your Wi-Fi password, please click show here. Make sure everything is correct. And please do not use the symbols or other difficult words. Just use them simply. And if you didn't put the Wi-Fi password or name correctly, so the Lucky Miner cannot connect with your Wi-Fi, so the miner will not working. And also, I'm going to tell you to 打开一下. Please wait a second. Also, I'm going to tell you the Lucky Miner only connect to the Wi-Fi router is 2.4 GHz, not 5G. 5G is not available. And also confirm whether the configured Wi-Fi name and password are correct, including upper or lower case. The device must close to the Wi-Fi signal source and avoid be blocked. Metal obstructions are prohibited. And now I'm going to input our next is our port address. Okay, so most of our customers do use Lucky Miner as a solo mining device. Now, first we can put like solo mining port. In China, we usually use port vkbit.com. And please also note in here, do not include the port start name. Just input the port name here, and also, and here is we put our port. And we also have a public port and the Wikibit port, which is working perfectly. And if you are trying to here we can see we have some solo mining port options here, and we also have some regular mining port with daily income, like AND port, port 333, and F2 port, and port in. So before we connect this mining port, we must register your own port name. So, and next, I'm going to input my wallet address. And before we use our Lucky Miner, we usually use Lucky Miner to connect our like crypto exchange wallet address, like OKX or Binance. Now I'm going to input our OKX wallet address. So okay, it's here. And also, if we are using solo port, if we are using solo mining, and the BC1Q start Bitcoin address are not supported if you are mining solo. So if you are mining regular mining, so you can use a BC1Q, okay? And please make sure you are using the address from the solo. You are using address from the exchange wallet, okay? Now I'm going to hear the frequency. Okay, this is very important, and the core voltage. Here is depends how your miner works. If you want your miner work like 100% hash rate, you can. For example, we are using Lucky Miner LV06. The core voltage maximum is 1300. Core voltage maximum is 1300, but please make sure the core voltage is lower than 1300, and the frequency maximum is 575. But I mean, if you are using LV05, which is a 320G mode, now the maximum frequency is 475, and the maximum core voltage is 1600. Okay, now so everything is fine. Now I'm going to check again our settings here, and okay, so everything seems fine. Now I'm going to save our settings. Okay, after saved, we can see you must restart this device after saving the changes. Now I'm going to restart the Lucky Miner. Okay, restart Lucky Miner here. So we can see the Lucky Miner is restarted successfully. Now let's take a look closely with our miner screen. So let's wait like 5 minutes. And also we can see here is our new IP address here. After we configured the Lucky Miner, the IP address will change from the originally IP address. It will change to a new address. So if you want to go to this Lucky Miner background, you can go to this IP address directly, or you can use your cell phone, or you can use your laptop. But first, they should be in the first Wi-Fi environment. The same Wi-Fi environment. Okay, they are connecting the same Wi-Fi line. So let's wait to see the hash rate. So okay, now we can see the Lucky Miner is working now. The hash rate start like 441 gigahash. Now let me check my cell phone here. So we can see the power is 14 watts and the hash rate is 488 GH. Okay, and now, if you just leave this page, if you want to setting, or you want to change your settings here, now you can go to the new IP address here. New IP address. Now I'm trying to use my laptop, trying to use my computer to access the Lucky Miner IP again. Now we just need to use our laptop to use our browser to go to the Lucky Miner with new IP address here. New IP address. Now here we are here again, the new IP address. So we can see the miner is working, and we can see the settings are okay. And here I'm going to show you our Lucky Miner background. Here is the most important is the Wi-Fi status. So after you connect with the Wi-Fi status should be connected. If the Wi-Fi status shows failed to connect, here it means you didn't connect with your Wi-Fi, and now it's time you need to check your Wi-Fi, home Wi-Fi name, password, they are correct or not, and make sure they are 2.4 GHz. And here, so you can see the hash rate is very good. Okay. And please make sure our also our Lucky Miner also supports the solo mining and pool mining. If you want to change to other pools, you can just go to the settings here and change another pool like AND pool and F2 pool. But before you use this pool, make sure you already registered. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to show you if you failed to connect the Lucky Miner and it's not working, I'm going to show you how to reset the Lucky Miner. Okay. Now I'm going to put a wrong password and save and restart. So the Lucky Miner restarted. But now we can see the Lucky Miner he's trying to connect our home Wi-Fi, but the Wi-Fi password is incorrect. So it will try like 5 times, retrying 3, then retrying 4, retrying 5 times. Okay. So our Lucky Miner back to the original status. So it's now you can connect the Lucky Miner again and start from first step. So it's still Lucky 17F1. Now you can to access the Lucky Miner again and configure again. And we also have other options help you to reset the Lucky Miner. Like we can go to our IP address. We can go to our Wi-Fi router background, and first I'm going to show you now. I'm connecting the Lucky Miner again, and we go to our Lucky Miner. Now I'm going to setting it first. So now it's failed to connect. Now I'm going to put the correct password. So we put the correct password. The Lucky Miner is trying to connect the Wi-Fi. Now I think it's working. Just start it. So we can see the Lucky Miner background It's working now like 500 gigahash. Okay. Now I'm trying to go to our home Wi-Fi router background. Okay. Just input your home Wi-Fi IP address. Now we just need to go to your Wi-Fi background and input your password. And go to our device management and find a new IP. The new IP, and let's see the new IP, which the new IP address is exactly same with our Lucky Miner IP address. So let's click manage. So the IP is finished with 111 and our Lucky Miner is 111. Please make sure they are same device. So involved if you will block some other device. Now I'm trying to use my Wi-Fi router background to block my Lucky Miner. Okay, I'm going to block the Lucky Miner so the Lucky Miner cannot access to our Wi-Fi, to our home Wi-Fi. So we can see it's already been blocked. So it will trying to connect our home Wi-Fi, but after 5 times, Lucky Miner will reset. Okay, now it's back to the original status now, and also we have inside the Lucky Miner we have a physical button here. We have a physical button. If after you tried everything the Lucky Miner is still not working, you can open the Lucky Miner and there is a reset button. You can click the reset button and the Lucky Miner will reset. So you can start from the beginning. So I think today is all we can share to you today, and thanks for watching our videos, and thanks for choosing our product. If you have any problem before you make a complaint or refund, you can contact us. Okay, we are trying to help you. Our engineers will help you as soon as possible. And okay, any problem you can contact us. Okay, thanks. Bye bye.